How to install your tempered glass screen on your Fire HD10. Mine's is brand spanking new. I'm going to use the wet wipes because I was swiping it a little bit, so it might have some finger oils on there. Ooh, that wet wipe smells good. So wet wipe that screen and then take your dry wipe. Make sure it's clean. It dries up nice. We're gonna take our dry wipe now and then we're gonna buff off the excess. Looks real clean. Oh yeah. Do I see dust? Not really. Nope. If there is some, it's hard to see. But you know what happens in these cases. Dust always wants to find its way on there right when you're about to put that thing on, right? Alright. So, I don't see any dust. I'm going to take my screen. I'm going to peel the back off. And I'm going to dust this thing off too. Has some dust on there. I don't want that dust finding its way onto my screen right when I'm about to put it on. Checking it for dust. I'm gonna peel this off. Oh. And then we're gonna align it. Align it to the camera hole, align the corners. Alright. Hold it from one side and from the opposite side. Push down towards the edge. Ending at the middle. Keep going across. There it goes. It's traveling down as it's sticking on. And bam! Looks good. It looks good. I think I did definitely catch some tiny specks of dust in there. But I'm satisfied. The camera is not covered, the screen's protected, and I'm sure when you turn it on, you can't even tell. So overall, I'm happy. The screen is still very responsive, still looks very vibrant. Almost like if the glass isn't there, but yet the glass is being protected. So don't forget, if you want to get some of these glass screen protectors for your Fire HD, I'm going to put them in the link down below so you can check them out, learn more about them, see these exact ones, see similar ones at higher prices, lower prices, better quality, lower quality, and this quality. Overall, I'm liking this quality. I went for the 2-pack just in case one cracks or if I messed up really bad on this 10. But I'm satisfied right now. So now I got an extra screen protector if anything happens to this one. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this bad boy into the case, into the Moco case. Until next time, I'll see you soon. You never know what I'm gonna upload next. Peace.